Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study one day before the SAT exam. First, resist the urge to cram new information. Instead, quickly review core concepts you already know well. Do a few practice problems from each section to keep your mind active, but don't overdo it. Your goal is to reinforce existing knowledge and build confidence, not to exhaust yourself. Remember, mental clarity is crucial for peak performance. On test day, understanding the SAT's structure is key. Know how many questions are in each section and the time allotted. Practice effective time management. Don't get stuck on one difficult question. If a question seems too hard, make an educated guess if there's no penalty for wrong answers, or skip it and come back later. This strategy helps you maximize your score by ensuring you attempt all questions you can answer correctly. Mental preparation is just as important as academic review. Visualize yourself successfully completing the exam and achieving your target score. Practice simple relaxation techniques, like deep breathing, to manage any pretest anxiety. Trust in the hard work you've already put in. A calm and confident mindset will allow you to access your knowledge more effectively and perform at your best on the SAT. Before the big day, pack your bag with everything you need: your admission ticket, a valid ID, 2 No. 2 pencils, and an approved calculator. Get a good night's sleep and eat a nutritious breakfast. Arrive at the test center early to avoid any last-minute stress. Remember, a calm and prepared mind is your best asset. Also, check the description below for a link to those amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you stay organized and fueled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.